If you're looking to create high-quality video projects for social media quickly and easily, Descript is the perfect tool for you. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Descript to create amazing videos, even if you're new to the software. By the end of this video, you'll know how to efficiently edit, share, and make your social media content pop, all with Descript. Stick around to find out how to get started for free with an exclusive bonus you won't want to miss. First off, once you've signed up, you'll be greeted with an intuitive, user-friendly dashboard. From here, you can start a new project by either uploading your video or directly recording through the app. If you already have footage ready, simply drag and drop it into Descript. What sets Descript apart from other tools is its automatic transcription feature. When you upload your video, Descript automatically transcribes the audio into text, making it incredibly easy to edit your video just like a text document. Let's say you want to trim your video for social media. Instead of scrubbing through the timeline, you simply highlight the words you want to remove and hit delete. That's right. Descript turns your video editing into a text-based task, which speeds up your workflow drastically. This is especially valuable for social media, where quick, engaging edits are crucial. Now, let's talk about adding captions. Social media videos often perform better when they have captions, especially for platforms like Instagram and Facebook, where many people watch without sound. In Descript, captions are automatically generated with the transcription, but you can also tweak them to suit your style and ensure they're perfectly synced to your video. Once you've edited your video, Descript makes it easy to export it in the perfect format for your social media platform. Whether you're posting to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, Descript gives you the tools to get the right dimensions, and it even lets you adjust the frame to ensure your content looks professional every time. For a polished finish, Descript's multi-track editing feature allows you to layer different audio and video elements, making it a breeze to add voiceovers, music, or sound effects to make your social media content stand out. And if you're aiming for something more advanced, Descript has AI tools like Overdub, which lets you replace or add words to your audio without needing to record anything new. One of the best things about Descript is how collaborative it is. You can invite team members to work on your video project in real time. This is great if you're managing multiple content creators or working on a project with a team. You can all be on the same page and make updates on the fly. To wrap up, if you're looking to create video projects for social media with Descript, you now know how easy it is to upload, edit, caption, and export your content. And the best part? You can get started completely free by clicking the first link below to claim our exclusive bonus that gives you extended access to Descript. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your video content creation for social media. Descript is an incredibly powerful tool that will make your social media video production a breeze. Start using it today and make your project stand out. Again, use the link below to access your extended free trial with some exclusive bonuses. Happy editing.